Hi everyone, I wanted to show you guys how to get onto your students' online Wonders program. They're going to need to know how to do this for future assignments that I give to you guys. They have done it in the classroom many times before, but sometimes if they're in a different environment, they're going to forget how to do it. So just want to make sure that you guys are logged into their Google account, which is their lunch code at wsdoc.me. You should see their picture up in the top right-hand corner, and then you're going to click on the waffle. Then I want you to scroll down till you see McGraw-Hill. They know which link to click on, the red McGraw-Hill link. Make sure you go into their account. And from here, you guys are going to click on the specific book that we need access to. It is going to be their Wonders book. Make sure you go on the correct grade level because I do believe that they will see all of the grade levels within our classroom. So you want to make sure that you go on to the appropriate book. A lot of times what might happen is something will pop up asking our students to click on a specific year. So make sure that they're clicking on the 2019-2020 school year. And then up on the left-hand corner, you'll see the to-do list. When they click on our to-do list, it's going to give them all of the tasks that I assigned them. So this is my daughter's. This is not what you guys are going to be seeing. But once you do, click on something off to the side. Let's say we want to go. These are all chapter tests. It won't say launch assignment. You'll see a picture of the book that I have you opening up for them, and you're going to click on the actual picture of the book that pops up there for them. I will not be giving any tests. I will not be giving any assignments. It's just going to be tasks that they can do while they're at home. If you have any questions about this, please reach out to me. I am always here for you.